Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, October 6th. Time is around 6 a.m. GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Oanda platform. So, not much price action. We are still sitting here in this area. So, my analysis also did not really change. However, I changed like the bearish scenario. Yesterday I was saying that we might even get a triangle here as wave B, and actually it starts to look like this. Like if we have to go for the bearish scenario, I will not be surprised if we get a triangle here. But first of all, let me give you the situation, a recap of the situation. So we are, or we had a wave 3 high here. We are working on a wave 4. We are in the wave 4 area. And now, yeah, this wave 4 is playing out as a WXY structure. And so there is a chance that the WXY structure was finished here with this low. Then we would have here as the final Y leg an ABC structure like this, ABC, and then the C leg we had 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finished right here. The reason that this is yeah, possibly the end of the structure is that also the other indices reached their reversal areas. The Nasdaq should go actually here, but okay, we are quite close. So the other indices reached their reversal areas, and on the 4 hour we see divergence here in the last low compared to this wave 3 if we consider this wave C structure here. So these are arguments in favor of a reversal. However, like on the daily, we are still clearly bearish. However, we are approaching the RSI trend line here, so maybe we do an attempt to break the trend line, and then this would be an indication for a bullish cycle. And also here on the weekly, yeah, we are clearly in a downward cycle here, but of course, you have to break this trend line to have a wave 4. So that's not so exceptional. But in order to have an impulse here, we should go back up. And when we make here a new high in price as the top of wave 1, we should have divergence here compared to our wave 3. So these are the bearish cycle in the weekly and the daily can favor more downside. And then yeah, if we have to find a path for more downside, that would mean so that we go into this area, and then we could make a case that this wave Y here, so this wave Y and this wave Y and this wave 4 is not finished then. And so a way to get there would be that we have an A, B, C structure down. So then we are still missing the C leg. Then we had the A leg here as 5 waves, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we are now working on the wave B. And so yesterday I told you we might even get a wave, a triangle here as a wave B. And yeah, this could potentially be a triangle behavior, what we are doing here. So far, it's also supported in RSI. So if we would have a triangle, then it would look like, so we have the A leg down, and the higher degree, the wave A. And so now we are working on the wave B as an A, B, C, and then we would still be missing the D and the E leg. Like this does not look like a wave D. To me, we need a bit more downside, I believe, for a wave D. But yeah, that's possible. Like in 3, 1, 2, 3, wave D, then up again as an E, and then we break to the downside. So that would be my bearish scenario. And then if this happens, the next reversal area will be the wave. Will be after a complete impulse. There's also a possibility, like it's it does not really matter if we, I mean, like instead of a WXY, I also started to see here, what if we label this as an A, B, C, and so then we have, if this is if this has to be a C leg, so this complete move here is C leg, then it could be 1, 2, 3, a triangle in the fourth wave, and then another leg down as a fifth wave. So that's also a possibility, but the key is, like after this wave, if we would break out to the downside, so if this triangle breaks out to the downside, then the key is to look for the first impulse, because the first impulse is then the wave 5, or a short wave C, or the first wave of the wave C. And then this might, if we have after the first impulse here, after the breakdown, this might again be a long opportunity. So that's all in case that we break down that this is a triangle. I put it on the chart, but it's a bit too early to conclude this. Like as soon as we take out, no, this high is not enough to take out. We really have to take out this high here to invalidate the triangle scenario, because it could still be something like this here if we take out this high. So we really need to take out this high here to invalidate the triangle scenario. And if we would take out this high, then don't forget we still have a bullish count here on the chart. I elaborated a lot on the bearish count, but do not forget that the low can be in here, and then what we are seeing here is simply like a 1-2-1-2 setup, like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, and we could break out to the upside. So I do not really have a preference for one or the other scenario. I think really both can play out. We have to see if this area here holds or not. Also, if we get a clear triangle structure, then that would be a good indication that we'll see a bit more downside here as a wave 5 or as a wave C. But as soon as we take out this high here, then that would really favor the bullish case. With a low made right here. So I think for today, we have to see what exactly we get. I cannot really choose between these two scenarios. They look equally valid in my opinion. There are arguments in favor of the bullish case. There are arguments in favor of the bearish case. So I think we just have to wait for more price action before deciding which kind of scenario will play out. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.